A very good morning, children. Happy New Year, all of you. May this New Year 2021 brings new happiness, new goals, new achievements, and many new inspirations to your life. Wishing you a year fully loaded with happiness. Shall we start our lesson? Today, we are going to learn about safety rules at home, safety in school, and on the road. So, shall we start our chapter? It is very important to know the safety rules. Staying away from danger is called safety. Staying away from danger is called safety. It is a state of being safe. There are many things around us that can cause harm. Safety is being away from harm. We should follow safety rules to stay safe. There are many ways which we can be injured or harmed. We should always try our best to live safely and follow all the safety rules. The safety rules should be followed at home, at school, on the road, and it should be followed everywhere. Let us learn about them today. Let us see the textbook. Chapter 15, Safety First. Put a cross where you think Rohan and Zoya will get hurt. See first one. Here you can keep cross. Here also cross. Here also cross. Here also cross. Here also cross. And here tick. Okay. There are many ways by which we can get hurt. We can be safe only if we are careful. Safety is the state of being safe. It means staying away from danger, risk, or injury. We need to be careful at home, in school, and even on the road. Children, first safety rules. Children, first we can see safety rules at home. We should be careful at home to not play with things like knife, scissors, blade, wires, medicines, fire, etc. This can be extremely harmful for us. We should put away our toys after playing with them because someone may fall over them. We should throw fruit peels in the dustbin, otherwise anyone can slip over them and get hurt. If we play with scissors, you may get cut. Do not play with fire. Fire is dangerous. You may burn yourself. Do not play with electrical equipment such as switches, wires, the oven, computer, music players, toaster, and other electrical items with wet hands. It may give you electrical shock. We should not go near burning gas stove in the kitchen. We should not light the matchsticks ourselves. We should ask an adult to do so. Be careful. Never open the door for strangers. They may harm you. All these are the safety rules at home. Text reading. Safety at home. We should not play with sharp things such as a knife, a pair of scissors, a razor, a blade. We should put away our toys after playing with them. Someone may fall over them. We should throw fruit peels in the dustbin. Anyone can slip over them and get hurt. We should not open doors to unknown person or people. We should not play with wires and switches. We should not touch things like ovens, mixers, toasters, etc. with wet hands. We should not go near burning gas stoves or electric heaters, etc. in the kitchen. We should not light the matchsticks ourselves. We should ask an adult to do so. Shall we see some images? See children, with a knife, here got hurt, see. So we should not play with these things. Here, see. Here marbles are there. Stepped on that and fell down. See. Banana peel. We should not throw like this. Fruit peels we should not throw like this. See, like this will happen. See here, electrical things, they are playing with this, they will get shock. See here, matchstick. We saw that we should not do like this. Okay children, have a great day. Thank you.